Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman and a Centrelink service officer. The woman has recently been made redundant and is seeking information about applying for the job seeker payment. The dialogue begins now. Good morning. Welcome to Centrelink. How can I help you today?
Nawalan po ako ng trabaho noong nakaraang buwan at gusto kong mag-apply ng job seeker payment. May 2 anak po ako at mortgage.
I'm sorry to hear about your situation. I need to check a few things. What was your last day of employment? Did you receive a redundancy or severance payment?
Ang huling araw ko po ay ika-15 ng Marso. Nakatanggap po ako ng 4 na linggong redundancy pay at hindi nagamit na annual leave.
The redundancy payment will affect your waiting period. With 4 weeks redundancy, there will be a waiting period before payments start. However, it's important to apply straight away to start the clock running.
Kaya wala po akong matatanggap habang nasa waiting period. Nag-aalala po ako sa mortgage repayments.
Since you have children, you may be eligible for Family Tax Benefit Part A during the waiting period. If you're in serious financial hardship, you can also apply for an emergency payment.
Anong dokumento po ang kailangan ko sa application?
You'll need identification, a driver's license or passport, your bank account details, a separation certificate from your former employer, and your income tax return. Do you have a MyGov account?
Opo, mayroon po. Maaari ko po bang tapusin online ang application? Mahirap pong magpunta ng madalas dahil may maliliit na anak.
Yes, you can complete most of it through MyGov. I'll help you set it up today. I also need to explain the waiting period. There may be a 1-week wait before payments start.
Salamat po. Akala ko po kakayanin ko ito mag-isa, kaya nakakapagpaginhawa po malamang may suporta.